Hey everyone, it's Dr. Clark. So you survived your first week, right? We've got that first discussion board up. We're gonna, do a couple more peer responses, but everyone's doing a great job. So congratulations on that. So I wanted to gear you up for the next week. You're gonna hit your first quiz, okay? So what I'm gonna try to do with these quizzes is to give you a heads up to remind you, okay, what material is going to be covered. Typically, it's the information before, or when you click on the quiz in the module, before it pops up, you're going to see this quiz covers X, Y, and Z chapters, right? Remember, you have one attempt to take the quiz, but you have unlimited time, but you have to be on Respondus Monitor. You have to use that lockdown browser, okay? And that just means you can't cheat, right? No books, no notes, but the good thing is every time you have a quiz, all 5 of these quizzes, I'm going to try to give you some highlights, okay? Some tips. Those are things that you probably need to know to be successful on the quiz. So I'm going to try to narrow it down for you because there's a lot of information. There's a lot of reading in this course, okay? A big thing to remember is that you have to maintain a B average on these quizzes. So it's really important that I want you to use that study guide that I put up and really get to know that content because it's exactly what you're going to see on your quizzes, okay? No surprise. That is the key information that I want you to gain from that quiz, okay? So if, again, anyone has any questions, anything that I can help with, you can always throw it up on the Ask Dr. Clark. You can reach out to me via email, whatever you need to do. Remember that I'm here for you. As you're looking ahead, I've had a couple of questions about upcoming assignments. So those 2 major papers that are going to be due in the class. If you go to weeks 9 and week 11, you're actually going to see those papers there. You're going to see the guidelines, the rubric for those papers. I suggest you start looking at those now to start getting ahead, looking at those for ideas. In a few weeks, I'm going to throw another discussion board up that basically asks about what your topics are. So, start looking at those guidelines and you can start thinking about what your topics are going to be because when you throw them up, I'm going to give you some advice. I'm going to say, hey, yep, looks like you're on the right track. Or I may steer you a little bit, into a different direction or have you tighten up that topic a little bit to make it easier before you start writing. Okay. Other than that, I hope everyone's having a great first week. And again, if you need anything, any help at all, anything that I can help with, let me know. I'll be taking a look at those discussion boards on Sunday and Monday and giving you some feedback. That way you can make some changes and edits for next time to be more successful. Okay. Thanks, guys. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.